Alrighty, today's goal, we're gonna see if a fuel filter can make this compressor quieter. Most of the noise comes out of the inlet on these, so that's a 1-inch pipe fitting there. So I've got a nipple, we'll extend that out. I've got an adapter to accept a fuel filter that I've got. So first things first, we're gonna take before reading. We'll stand back and we'll do it at the same distance. Got a decibel app on my phone. I don't know how accurate it is. As long as it's consistent, it should be okay. So kick this compressor on, take a before reading. I don't know if you're gonna tell a difference on the camera because the microphone will probably just, automatically adjust for it, but we'll see on the phone how much quieter it is. So here we go. I bought me a Cat 1R 0755 fuel filter, and this adapter is the nipple it would thread onto in the filter base. We changed a lot of these because the aluminum housing that these thread into, over time, after 3 or 4 rebuilds, they just pull the threads out of the aluminum, and that's about the same size as that. I got me a pipe nipple here, weld this on there, and we can thread that into the compressor head and then spin that filter on. So I've seen other people build a muffler system, that quiets them down quite a bit, but I figure if this is quick and easy, I'm not out anything if it doesn't work, and then if it doesn't work, we'll figure something else out. But I think this should do a decent job. So let me go get the welder going and we'll put this together. It's off of here. Oh, it looks better already. Is it worth it? I don't know. We'll see. It's definitely more pleasant to listen to. The pitch is definitely different. It's not as high pitched and in your ear. It's definitely mellowed that tone, even though my app says it's about the same. So we'll go get this video edited. I'll put a before and after in there real close together so we can kind of see. Hopefully it's better on camera, but my guess is if it is any quieter, the camera's just going to adjust for it. So hopefully it's not as pitchy and bad for the viewer on camera and YouTube. So we'll see. I'll go edit this up and we'll see how it sounds. Thanks for watching.